Hi, I'm Krista with WTI. Get ready to experience a modern-day carpet miracle with me as we bring our area rugs back to life in both vibrancy and freshness with this amazing Sunny and Honey Spring Mint Carpet Cleaner and Deodorizer. To get started, we filled up our carpet cleaning tank with hot tap water and diluted the Carpet Miracle solution. For reference, this first area rug measures 5 by 7 feet and was used in a high traffic area for several years. It had plenty of regular wear, but in addition to that, we've had it stored in an outdoor shed for quite some time. So it also now has collected a lot of extra dust, dirt, and moisture. It's going to be a true test for the deep cleaning and deodorizing ability of this product. As you can see, side by side, as we treated this heavily soiled rug, the area that has been cleaned is significantly brighter. And if you could only smell through this video, it's super minty and fresh, but not overpowering in any way. For the cleaning of this size rug, we used approximately 3 tanks of water and 18 ounces of solution, but the results are amazing. The silver and gold shades are gleaming, and it's literally like having a brand new rug. My husband can be a bit of a skeptic when it comes to trying out new products, but he was so pleasantly surprised by the effectiveness of this solution that he had me gather up and bring out all our other area rugs in the house to be cleaned. We made an afternoon of it, and now all of our rugs are fresh, clean, and back to their original glory. Now that we've experienced the benefits of using a high-quality cleaning solution, we never want to run out of this Sunny and Honey Carpet Miracle. With the option to subscribe and save, we'll keep stocked up with this miraculous product and have professional results for a fraction of the cost. And that's our point of view.